Welcome to the revolutionary world of AI-generated art, where creative brilliance meets cutting-edge technology. AI has broken boundaries in various industries, and art is one of them, allowing you to turn your artistic imagination into a lucrative business. Explore how AI can generate unique, mesmerizing art pieces that captivate viewers and collectors alike. As an AI artist, you can customize the AI's art parameters, guiding the artistic direction while leveraging limitless AI creativity. The market for AI art is growing exponentially, leading to unprecedented opportunities for monetary success. From online auctions to digital art galleries, several platforms allow you to monetize your AI-generated art. Besides, AI art caters to the eco-conscious art lovers with a reduced carbon footprint without the need for physical materials or shipping. Get started today with AI-generated art and paint your journey to financial prosperity in the most creative way ever.